Hello everyone, welcome to Jason's Programming Lab. Today, we are going to explore the exciting world of software applications and the amazing roles played by them, which are Java and Python. Imagine these two as the wheels powering the industry forward, each with its own unique abilities. So, let's uncover the secrets behind their roles in shaping the software that runs our modern world. Do you know what are the main types of applications out there in software industry? There are two main types. One is enterprise applications and the other is data science applications. The power of enterprise applications. Do you know what enterprise applications do and why are they important? Enterprise applications are like the backbone of companies. They help with different tasks that are crucial for businesses to run smoothly. For example, they handle buying and selling shares, managing inventories, and taking care of customers. These applications are essential for the success of any business. Let's talk about Java. How did Java come about and why was it created? Java was born in 1995 and it was created to solve specific challenges faced by other programming languages like Python, C, and C++. The brilliant mind behind Java, James Gosling, wanted to build applications that could do things like connecting to networks, making web applications, and running business operations. Java offered cool features like security, networking, and working with databases, making it perfect for building enterprise applications. So what about Python? What makes Python special? Python, which came to life in 1991, which has incredible mathematical libraries. In the world of data science applications of modern era, when we need to analyze loads of data, Python is a go-to choice. It's like the brain behind applications that recommend videos on YouTube or predict what shares to buy or sell in the stock market. What are the roles of Python and Java? Java lays the foundation for strong and secure enterprise applications, while Python adds its magic to process the data produced by these applications. That's how we get smart data science applications which make amazing predictions and analysis. Let's recap. Java builds sturdy enterprise applications, ensuring businesses run smoothly, while Python performs incredible data analysis in data science applications. So my friends, remember this. Just like two wheels are essential for a bike to ride smoothly, Java and Python work hand in hand to make the software go round. Embrace their powers and you'll unlock a whole universe of possibilities in the exciting world of software development. Happy coding everyone!